Hi viewers, welcome to this video, and today I will be teaching you how to install Stable Diffusion on Windows. In this video, I will be showing you the easiest and the most convenient way to download the Stable Diffusion. So just follow these steps. It's very easy. So first of all, open up your Google browser. I will be leaving the link of this GitHub repository in description. You guys have to click up on that link. And after clicking up on that link, you guys will be seeing this type of interface. After that, just scroll down a little bit. Just scroll and search for this section named as installation and running, and you guys can install your preferred method from here, just like NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Just like I'm using the NVIDIA GPUs, I will click on NVIDIA, and after that you guys have to click up on this here link, and after that you guys have to click on sd.webui.zip. Just install it, and after installing it, you guys just have to follow these four simple steps, and after following these two simple steps, your Stable Diffusion will be easily run. And if you guys face any sort of problem, you guys can come here back again and read all the repository step by step. It's very easy, and it's like most convenient way to download the Stable Diffusion, and that's how you guys can easily download the Stable Diffusion on Windows.
If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.